Hello and welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. What does Section 17 of the Copyright Act 1957 address? Composers' rights, literary works in films, enforcement of copyright, or first ownership in film copyright? The correct answer is option D, first ownership in film copyright. Recently, in the Saregama India Limited versus Wales Film International Limited case, the Delhi High Court held that the copyright in a cinematograph film, which includes the soundtrack of the film, vests in the producer of the film. Section 17 of the Copyright Act 1957 provides that in case a cinematograph film is made for consideration at the instance of any person, such person shall, in the absence of any agreement to the contrary, be the first owner of the copyright therein. Next, what is the primary purpose of the habeas corpus writ? To prosecute individuals, to safeguard personal liberty, to impose penalties, or to collect taxes? The correct answer is option B, to safeguard personal liberty. Recently, in the Simi Bai versus Shriman Police Mahanirikshak Mahoday and others case, the Madhya Pradesh High Court emphasized that missing person cases do not fall under the habeas corpus provision. Habeas corpus, derived from Latin meaning "you shall have the body," is a foundational writ aimed at safeguarding personal liberty. It empowers individuals to challenge unlawful detention or imprisonment, ensuring that no person is unlawfully deprived of their freedom. Next, which section of the BNS deals with common intention? Section 34, Section 3, Clause 5, Section 45, or Section 5? The correct answer is option B, Section 3, Clause 5. Section 3, Clause 5 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 deals with common intention. When a criminal act is done by several persons in furtherance of the common intention of all, each of such persons is liable for that act in the same manner as if it were done by him alone. Next, which section of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam deals with disclosure statements made in police custody? Section 22, Clause 2, Section 22, Clause 1, Section 23, Clause 3, or Section 23, Clause 2? The correct answer is option D, Section 23, Clause 2. Section 23, Clause 2 of Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 provides that no confession made by any person while he is in the custody of a police officer, unless it is made in the immediate presence of a magistrate, shall be proved against him. Next, presumption as to electronic agreements is provided in Section Dash of Evidence Act 85, 85A, 85B, or 85C. The correct answer is option B, 85A. Section 85A of the Indian Evidence Act deals with presumption as to electronic agreements. It states that the court shall presume that every electronic record purporting to be an agreement containing the electronic signature of the parties was so concluded by affixing the electronic signature of the parties. Now it's time for the practice question. Under Section 45 of Evidence Act, opinion of expert witness is dash, a conclusive proof, not relevant, not admissible, or not a conclusive proof. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.